Daniel with Bathtub Guys Refinishing. We're here in the shop. We got the Clawfoot tub feet all with the anti-corrosive spray on them, and we're gonna get ready to primer them. And we also got the Clawfoot tub back here. We got it all set up. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the results. Alex is spraying them, and he's currently mixing the primer. So we'll give you guys an update after we shoot the primer. Hello everyone, this is Daniel with Bathtub Guys Refinishing again. So Alex just got finished shooting primer on the Clawfoot tub. Shot, I believe, 3 coats. I mean, he had to get it on there really thick because this cast iron is like really porous. And you can see, like here for example, there's a couple areas there that are still black, but the top coat's going to cover that up. The important thing is that most of it is primed, and anti-corrosive is on there too. So, you know, this is just like an extra layer of protection. Some people do the anti-corrosive and start spraying top coat on top of it right away. We want the extra layer of protection against the rust.
the skin layer. See, like, yeah, all these right here, you can see all the scratches, like, really fucking profoundly. And then right here, you can see erosion. And around here, all that's gonna look fucking spotless when I'm done.
The Clawfoot tub that Alex has been working on is just about ready for top coat. You see it's nicely, evenly primered. I'm ready to go. And yeah, we'll show you guys a video once that's done. everybody, this is Daniel with Bathtub Guys Refinishing. So Alex just got finished spraying the Clawfoot tub, which I'm going to show you here in a second. And he wanted to do something a little bit different, like not like the usual boring white on white that everybody does. This is like something special, and he really took his time to do this and to make it look right. And it's not 100% done, but I think it's far enough along where I can show you guys the progress. All right, guys, so as you can see, super shiny, and he went with the blue on the outside, like a royal blue color. Super reflective, shiny white. I mean, it's like glass on there. And I'm gonna have video, like I said, of him doing the entire spraying, prepping, everything like that soon. But I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. As far as the bathtub, it looks fantastic. And then the feet are over here. And these are like silver. But yeah, this is the Clawfoot tub. This thing looked like absolute, you know what, when we got it. So, you know, it looked like garbage. So, you know, Alex brought this thing back to life. And this one's from 1910, right? It's from 1910, this tub. So, you know, this thing get plenty of more uses, but I think we're gonna keep this one in the showroom. We'll decide what we do with it, but there it is, looking great.